Hi, my name is Mike, and today, I will tell you everything you need to know about ProDentim. If you fell into this review, I imagine that you are curious or interested about this product, then you can rest assured that the information that I have to pass you will end with all your doubts. Then stay until the end of this video because I also have warnings about Prodentim L that will prevent you from losing your money or harm your health. The first warning is that ProDentim is only sold on the official site. So I recommend you not to buy ProDentim on any other site because you will run a great risk of falling into scams, have your credit card cloned, your information stolen, or you may even receive a counterfeit product that negatively affects your health. But if you are really interested in this product to help you, I'm leaving the official site in the description, so you can access safely. Talking a little deeper about ProDentim. ProDentim is a natural supplement without stimulants that aims to bring better oral health both for your gums and your teeth. ProDentim is the only product to have around 3.5 billion probiotics and nutrients, and these are produced to populate your mouth with good bacteria. The ingredients that make up ProDentim are unique and proven to support healthy teeth and gums, all of which will contribute to better oral health. So, you can really trust ProDentim because it really works. One detail is that it has no side effects. ProDentim is designed for all ages and medical conditions. For this reason, there are people of all ages satisfied with the result of ProDentim. We know that a smile is something essential, which is why we are concerned about the quality of our teeth. We all want to have beautiful white teeth and beautiful healthy gums, and it is this need that ProDentim can supply. A very important warning, and also the biggest mistake of those who are buying the product, is that they are using ProDentim in the wrong way. If you intend to have great results, you need to commit to take the supplement in the right way. It is recommended that you chew one tablet slowly every morning. Another information that you should also know is that the manufacturer provides a 60 days money-back guarantee. So you can make use of the product, and within those 60 days, if you don't get results, you can request a refund without any risk. Another information that also cannot be left out is that the ProDentim is with free shipping, but it is for a limited time. So if you are interested, run ProDentim's site and see if it is still with free shipping. Therefore, I wanted to record this video to answer all your questions about ProDentim and also to warn you about scams that are happening out there. So if you buy this product, buy only on the official site, not to go through any kind of problem. Also remember to use it correctly to get the best results, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment here below that I will answer you. Thank you.